For episode 18 of the branding series, we did something a little bit different. So last week we had the opportunity to go to my son's school. We had the opportunity to talk to a bunch of kids about what we do here at J29 Creative.
Okay, he's going to tell us about his career. All right, so let's get ready to listen.
And we did it creatively where it's really simple to understand for even kids, because sometimes I think when it comes to branding and digital marketing, we overcomplicate things. So we represented branding in a simple way via utilizing a stuffed animal and being able to share from Alex's perspective, Rachel, and myself. So working, get to get along with people. So just like my company, we have a team of people. We have to get along with each other. If we don't get along with each other, then it's not good.
So that is marketing, kind of like getting you excited for what's coming.
It was definitely a great experience, just being able to keep things simple and be amongst a bunch of kids and just highlighting, hey, what a digital marketing career can look like and how simple it can be.